Good morning, dear students. Today we will study about practical problems based on APC and APS, and then MPC and MPS. Yesterday I have given one question to you, but except Sneha, no one has answered me back. So this is the formula sheet I'm showing you once again. Based on these 10 formulas, you have to calculate the practical problems that I'm showing you today. This is the question that I have given yesterday to calculate MPC, MPS and APC and APS, and this is the solved. Those who are not able to solve it can see this picture and try to solve it. So today's first question is this: calculate APC and APS from the following schedule, where income is given and consumption is also given. Sometimes in your question paper they will also tell you to make yourself. So how we can calculate APC is by consumption upon income, and APS APS savings upon income. And how we can calculate it? By APC plus APS equals to 1 and APS is equal to 1 minus APC. If APC of an economy is 0.8, what should be saving on national level of rupees 2000? Next question: if saving is 500 and income of rupees 5000, how much will be the APS? Okay. Next question: calculate MPC and MPS from the following schedule, where income level is given and consumption is also given. Only two things you have to calculate. This question is very important. Given national income is rupees 80 crore, by consumption expenditure 64 crore, find out APS. When income rises to 100 crore, consumption expenditure to 78 crore. Try to solve that. And these are few notes that I think that you should have it in your notebooks. Briefly state the concept of consumption function, explain with schedule and diagram. Whereas consumption function express the relationship between aggregate consumption and national income, and we know that consumption is a function of income, where consumption is also known as C and function F. Y is your income. It can be explained with the following schedule and diagram. You can see the national income is given, the level of consumption is given. Now we starting from 0 and we are consuming 20. The above schedule and diagram shows Keynes' psychological law of consumption, which states that as income increase, consumption expenditure also increase, but increase in consumption always remains smaller than the increase in income. You can see national income is going, but not as the consumption expenditure. This is another question for you to make a note in your notebooks. With the help of consumption schedule or curve, bring out meaning of break-even point. They are just asking how you can show the break-even point. According to that, you have to make a schedule. In the above imaginary household, schedule of consumption and saving at income level of rupees 60,000 पे हम देखेंगे जहाँ पे consumption is rupees 60,000 and national income also. There is no saving, and this point is known as break-even point. I have told you already also, but given you this note. And how we can show? By this diagram. In the above diagram, when consumption is equal to national income, savings become 0. This is known as break-even point. This point is shown by E in the diagram. Thus, break-even point indicates a point when consumption becomes equal to income, or consumption curves cuts the income curve. That's all for today. Thank you everyone. If there is any doubt, please message me.